Don't Eat Yellow Snow Finale by Morgan, Megan, Sydney, Rochelle, and Gabrielle. 97% of the water on our planet is salt water, and 3% is fresh water. Let's put this into perspective. We have a duck. His name is Alfred. Alfred shares the same 3% of fresh water as humans. The most common places to find water that is usable by all mammals are lakes and rivers, icebergs and glaciers, groundwater and rain. When Alfred pees, the chemical from the pee goes into the ground, then evaporates up into the sky. It then changes from a gas to a liquid in a form called condensation. It then falls down in a form called precipitation back into the ground, and the system repeats itself. Going back to the precipitation stage. When Alfred's pee is in the air, it rains down into the groundwater. The water goes through the zone of aeration, where some water gets lost into the ground. Most water keeps going into the zone of saturation, where it sits on the impermeable layer. Water is made up of 2 parts hydrogen and 1 part oxygen. A water molecule looks like a Minnie Mouse head. The 2 hydrogen molecules are the ears of Minnie Mouse, and the face will be the 1 oxygen molecule. Salt and water are both polar. If you were to give Alfred a glass of water for a sore throat, then added some salt to the water would stick together with the salt because water is attracted to any other polar substance. Now, we don't want Alfred to drink salt water, but eventually the salt in the water will dissolve because polar dissolves polar. After all, the salt is finally dissolved, then we can let Alfred gurgle it. The water will probably not taste the same, but he can still fix his sore throat with it. Let's have Alfred help us demonstrate water pollution. Anything stored underground can cause water pollution and hurt our innocent duck friend. Alfred won't be happy if his water gets contaminated by items such as septic tanks, landfills, large farms, gas stations, and nuclear waste. But that is only for the water underground. We still have to think about the surface water that is being contaminated by urban runoff, which is anything from gas and oil to salt from the roads. Fertilizers, thermal pollution, water traffic, and factories are also contaminants of surface water. So please, help us keep Alfred happy and healthy by eliminating some of this water pollution. Think about the ducks.